Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 9, Python Dictionaries. A dictionary is an unordered collection of key-value pairs. Each key is unique and used to access its corresponding value. Dictionaries are created using curly braces in Python. You can create a dictionary using curly braces with key-value pairs. Keys must be unique while values can repeat. Dictionary values are accessed using their keys. You can use square brackets or the get method to retrieve values safely. You can modify or add dictionary items by assigning a value to a key. If the key exists, it updates. Otherwise, a new key-value pair is added. You can loop through a dictionary using its keys, values, or both. The items method returns key and value pairs. This diagram shows how dictionaries are created, accessed, modified, and looped through before the program ends. Here is an example showing how to add a new key-value pair to a dictionary and print it. When this code runs, it prints the updated dictionary with the new city key. This example creates a dictionary containing 3 key-value pairs and prints the entire dictionary. The output of example 1, creating and printing a dictionary, is as follows. Name: John. Age: 25. City: Bangalore. Here, values are accessed using the key inside square brackets and the get method. The output of example 2, accessing values using keys, is as follows. Alice, 30. In this example, a new key city is added, and the value of age is updated. The output of example 3, adding and updating elements, is as follows. Name: Alice. Age: 31. City: Pune. This example loops through all keys and values of a dictionary using the items method. The output of example 4, looping through a dictionary, is as follows. Name: Ravi. Marks: 85. Subject: Math. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a dictionary with 3 student names and their marks. Then print it. Use curly braces to define the dictionary and print it using the print function. Exercise 2. Access and print the marks of a specific student from the dictionary. Use the key name or get method to display the value. Exercise 3. Add a new student and marks to the dictionary. Then print the updated dictionary. Assign a value to a new key to add a new entry. Exercise 4. Update the marks of one student and print the modified dictionary. Use the student's key and assign a new value. Exercise 5. Loop through the dictionary and print all student names with their marks. Use a for loop with the items method to print each key and value pair. Thank you for watching episode 9. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.